How to use one WhatsApp account in two different phones with the same phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily use one WhatsApp account in two different phones with the same phone number. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already logged into my one WhatsApp account. And if you want to log in the same WhatsApp account in the different phone this time, then just head over to the different phone menu and simply head over to its Play Store. And once you're inside the next phone, that is second phone, Play Store, just search in for WhatsApp Messenger and make sure you have already downloaded it and just open the application. And in this case, you should be getting the login screen once you open it from your different phone. So let me just quickly show you from an example. So your home screen should be, or login screen should be looking something like this. And before signing up with your phone number, which will automatically log you out from the current account, that is my current account, this is this one. So if I were to log in with my same phone number from a different account, then that means I will be logged out from this device and then I will be logged into that device instead of this one. So it basically makes no sense. So what you can do instead is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you are inside into the login screen of your WhatsApp Messenger in the second phone. And before typing your phone number onto this screen, when you reach onto this, just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner. As you can see over here, just tap on that. And once you tap on that, you should see something like this, that is linked to existing account. So simply tap on that option. So you will be basically displaying a QR code from which you can link your account to multiple devices. Even you are using PC, but you can simply scan it from the another device in which you are currently logged in. And once you do all of that, you shall be finally logged in with the same account on both of your devices. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.